Alright guys, but this is how you do it. You get some paper, cardboard, little pot. Then you get your herbs. I have, I'm not gonna open it yet, but I got some pomelo skins, guava leaves, kaffir leaves, anything that's herbal in there. And then, then you get your medicines right there. Yeah, you pop 2 inside the pot. Yeah, it's already boiling for me, so took it off the top. This is where the magic happens. You get a bed sheet, right, all the way around. Bed sheet, bed sheet, bed sheet. Pot here. A little stool. And oh man, there it is. You open it up. Ooh, that's a hit right there. Oh, a surge of hot, steamy, minty. Oh, let's see if I should get that. Yeah, there you go. Minty stuff, steam all going. And that's it. Oh, look at that. It sits like that, but when it starts cooling down a little bit, you give it a stir, get that steam back up, and reactivates the heat. And then that's what you do. Sit in a little steam office or steam room, and that's how you make your makeshift steam room. Completely, guys, closed off. Really hot in here. Feels super good. You want to sweat out the bad stuff. Hopefully, I'll get better congested in a little bit. But this is what you do. You sit in here, and you take the heat, wipe yourself off a little bit, and then just go for it. Remember just to stir it up a little bit every now and then. Get the heat coming out, get a good sweat coming out. I like to say, stand here for the next 10 or 15 minutes. Hopefully this will clear up any congestions. But that's pretty much how you make a homemade sauna. Alright guys, that's my pro tip right there for you to get better if you're ever congested or sick. See you guys for the next video. So, it's been about 5 minutes in here, and it is hot. 100 something in here. I'm thinking, due to all the steam, but I want to give you guys an update. Just getting a good sweat out, detoxing, good for any time you are coming back from a hangover, a night of drinking, or just feeling a little bit sick. It's good for you. Winter out, you want to dry yourself off completely, and just let yourself dry off. Give it about, with a towel, once you're dried off, give it about half an hour before you decide to take a shower. But once that's all done, the whole process, maybe about an hour later, you should be feeling good as new. Alright guys, this is the last part of the update. Peace out.